I always say what I'm feeling. I was born without a zip on my mouth.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As a part of our eyeshadow tutorial series, today I'm going to show you how to achieve this monochrome eye look. Feel free to use any color of your choice. You can use this eye look for a glam up or a party wear. This look is on a medium difficulty range.
Let's begin by applying concealer for the base of your eyes. With a flat brush, spread the concealer equally. Now, with a beauty blender, pat the concealer and gently dab it in. Take a translucent powder and dab it in to give a mattify finish. Now let's begin to create the look. I have chosen a light shade of pink to my base color. Spread it all over your crease area, keep it outward motion and darken it only if necessary. Make sure to spread the eyeshadow evenly. Now I am taking a darker pink shade to the eye corner to add a smoky effect. I love to add this baby pink or a Barbie pink shade all over my eyeball area. Make sure you blend all the colors in. Now I'm applying black color in slants to the eyelid, creating the actual smoky effect. Again, make sure everything is blended in. Adding some glitter to highlight my inner corner of the eyes. Coming to the under eye, keep it light. I am applying the base color here and also highlighting my inner corners. Adding some eyeliner for the final touch-up. Do check out our video on how to get a perfect liner, link in the description below. To add a bit of a spark, I am applying a glitter eyeliner on the top of the black liner. Adding false lashes is completely dramatic and I love it. I'm using a nude kohl pencil here to go with. Here we are, ready. Pink monochrome look.